Good morning, students. Today we are discussing about Applied Geotechnical Engineering 18 CV 62 Module 5 Lecture Series 5 for 6th semester students under Pile Foundation heading. Today we are discussing about negative skin friction, pile load test and settlement of piles. So what is meant by negative skin friction? Whenever a recently filled up soil deposit there, then the soil is under consolidated in such a place or in such a layer, pile has to be driven, means instead of offering a frictional resistance in the opposite direction, so it offers a frictional resistance along the direction of application of load. So if it is a natural stiff soil, when a pile load is acting vertically downward, frictional force is acting vertically upward direction. When it is a recently filled up soil, so when a pile load is acting downward, the friction component, instead of acting upward, it is also acting in the downward direction, and this downward direction of friction from the pile skin is called as a negative skin friction. So as long as this negative skin friction is there, so pile will reduces its load carrying capacity. If I say total load carrying capacity of frictional pile is RF is equal to RF at natural stiff clay minus RF at filled up soil deposit. So therefore the magnitude of natural skin friction, the magnitude of negative skin friction Fn for a single pile in cohesive soil is to be calculated by using formula Fn is equal to P into Lc into Ca, where P is the perimeter, L is the length of negative skin friction area, and Ca is the cohesion. So length of the pile in compressible strata Lc Ca, so is a unit adhesion alpha into Cu. Alpha is adhesion factor, Cu is undrained cohesion for compressible layer. So length of the pile in compressible layer Ca is unit cohesion and P is perimeter of the pile. For single pile in cohesionless soil, this is for cohesive soil clay, this is for cohesionless soil, half into P perimeter of the pile into Lc, length of pile in compressible layer Lc into 2 into density K into 2 into gamma into K into tan delta, where K is lateral earth pressure coefficient and tan delta angle of friction between the pile and the soil, where delta is equal to half of theta to 2/3 of theta. Negative skin friction for pile group. If it is a set of piles are there under one pile cap, then how to calculate negative skin friction? So when a pile group passes through a soft unconsolidated stratum of magnitude of negative skin friction on the group, Fng may be estimated from the equation. Fng is equal to Cu Lc Pg plus gamma Lc Aq, where n is equal to number of piles in the group and Pg is equal to perimeter of the pile. Gamma is unit weight of the soil within the pile group up to a depth of Lc. So Ag is equal to area of pile group within the perimeter Pg. So the above equation is worked out on the basis of black shear failure along the perimeter of the pile cap, failure along the perimeter of the pile group, which includes the volume of the soil Lc Ag, length of the compressible layer into Ag cross-sectional area enclosed in the group. The effect of negative skin friction on the factor of safety with respect to ultimate load capacity of pile or pile group can be considered by factor of safety. Ultimate load capacity of single pile or group of pile divided by working load plus negative skin friction load. See here, this is the group of negative skin friction frictional resistance. In the field, negative skin friction can be reduced in the precast pile by coating with the bitumen on its surface, so that it instead of negative it becomes positive frictional force. So settlement of files, the vertical movement that occur at the level of the file cap is largely due to the settlement of the file supporting the file. The vertical movement that occur at the level of file cap is largely due to the settlement of the soil surrounding the file. The settlement group of files is more than the settlement of a single file, even when the load on a single file and the load on each file of a file group are same. This is because the zone of influence of file group is much deeper than that of the single file. So the settlement file group in clay, this cannot be estimated from the data of the load test on the single file because the time effect and the effect of remolding of the soil due to file driving and scale effect are quite different for single test file and the group of files. So the widely used approach for calculating the settlement of a file group in clay is by equivalent raft approach. In this method, the file group is assumed to act as a single large raft assumed to be placed at the same arbitrary depth inside the soil. The files are assumed to transfer vertical loads acting on them QG. To this depth, the settlement of raft is calculated. File group in sand. For estimation of settlement for file group in sand, the common practice is to extrapolate this from the settlement of individual test file measured from the load test. Skimpton in the year 1953 compared the settlement of number of file group consisting of driven files with the settlement of individual files in the sand for the same load per file. The settlement of file group SG is expressed as a multiple of settlement of individual file S1 SG by SI is called a settlement ratio. Coming to the MCQ question, for a single file, the magnitude of negative skin friction is given by formula single file cohesive soil Fn is equal to Ca. So the option is B. The magnitude of negative skin friction for a single file cohesive soil Fn is equal to P. Option is B. The single file, the magnitude of negative skin friction for a single file is P into LC into Ca, that is A. For a single file, portionless soil, half into LC into 2 into gamma into K and delta is A. And Fn for single file, portionless soil, half into P into LC, K and gamma, that is B. For single file, portionless soil, half into P into LC, 2 into gamma into K and alpha, it is A. Negative skin friction for a file group. When the file passes through a soft unconsolidated strata, the magnitude of negative skin friction on the group Fng may be estimated from the equation LC Pg plus gamma LCg, that is B. Negative skin friction LC Cu LC gamma LCg, it is B. Negative skin friction when a file is driven through a soft unconsolidated stream of magnitude of negative skin friction when the group is given by Cu Pg gamma LCg B. Skin friction for Fn will calculate as Cu LCg plus gamma LCag. It is true. So these are list of references and textbook used to prepare this module. I take this opportunity to thank the Department of Collegiate and Technical Education officers and the students for giving me an opportunity to deliver the lecture. Thank you all and all.